Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing slash unpackaging video to share with you guys. I have no idea what is in this shiny metal package. It came from a company or a source that I don't recognize. But it does have Metal Complex on it, so, you know, I'm assuming that it's knives. As per usual, if it's, as per usual, why can't I talk today? As per usual, if it is something I can link, I will link it right down below so you guys can check it out. It does help my channel when you use my links, but that is entirely up to you. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram. Focus! Metal_complex. Does no good to have 4K definition if the thing won't focus. What was I going to say? Oh, there are a few things I've been waiting on, so I'm hoping this is one of those, but it's just impossible to say without, yeah, it is what I've been waiting for. Oh, Maxace always sends cool stuff. I remember one of the models, one of them, but not both. So I'm pretty sure that these are really cool. Let me make this known, okay? Maxace reaches out to me, and sometimes I reach out to Maxace if there's something they think I might want to check out, or if I see something that I want to check out, right? I have 0 affiliate links with Maxace. The links that I'm going to provide to you will probably go to their website. I don't make any money if you guys buy them, right? I'm just letting you guys know. And I'm going to try to do this more often. I'm going to let you guys know, when I am actually making money if you buy it. In this case, no. This is stuff I wanted to check out from me and to share with you guys. If you buy them, it's just, it's just between you and Maxace. And they're not paying me to showcase this stuff. I just get to look at the knives. I mean, I get to keep the knives. So, depending on how you look at that, right? You could say, well, that's payment. I guess, let's see here. What is this? This is not one that I recognize. This is maybe this is the one they wanted me to check out. The model, here it is. Maxace Rock, MRK04, M390 blade, brown micarta, and these are made in China, which is something I feel like people know about Maxace, but if you didn't, there you go. Big and chunky and beefy, which is, that's Maxace. Very, very nice flipping action. No, not recessed, but it is a very thick liner lock. I don't know, very thick, right? Big pieces of titanium. These are true bolsters. Look at this. See, separated. Is this titanium under here? Nope. This is steel down to all of this. This is steel. So we have a steel. Is that true though? Let me look at the inside. It looks like it's either the detent ball or I'm looking at a lock bar insert. No lock bar insert. This is a steel liner lock. A little bit of double clutch here. I'll be real with you. Yeah. It's so close. Do it with my left. This thumb is still recovering. It looks like it's fine, but like it underneath all that scar tissue, it just makes it weak, and I can't feel everything like I used to. I'm sure it'll be fine after a while, but so the ball is coming up on the blade right here. Yeah, I'm going to call this double clutch. It flips real well, but as double clutch. Persian style trailing points. Really nice choil though. If you don't care about double clutch, right? Here's the thing. If you close your knife like this, or if you close your knife like this, when a knife has double clutch, you move your finger out of the way, right? And you can do the kick into the closed position. Well, I'm not giving a very good example, but like that, right? That's how you close your knife, then it doesn't matter. Micarta looks good. The titanium, what I'm assuming it has to be titanium, otherwise it'd be a lot heavier. Where's that magnet? It's only wanting to come at the liners, so that's feels like titanium to me. Really nice stonewashed blade too. I wish that we saw more of this from Maxace because that looks really nice. I'm sick of satin finishes. No idea how they're heat treating their M390. I have absolutely no idea. Heard varying reports. Some people have said it's right on the money. Some people have said, no, it's not. So I don't know. It just depends, I guess. Thumb studs. Let's see how that feels that double clutch is throwing me off. Feels pretty good. I'm still, yeah, I'm getting a little better there. It sucks not having strength in my thumb tip, or at just being, my thumb is just overly sensitive from that cut. But it looks good, and ergonomically it feels pretty good. This clip is a little pointy and just very thin, and I wish they'd have gone with their, milled clip, what they usually do. But we do have curiously, we have a backspacer, full milled titanium backspacer, and a flat, like a stamped out clip. It's recessed though. Carry depth, you'll have quite a bit sticking up out of your pocket, but not terrible. Interesting knife. And certainly, it bears a passing resemblance to many, many designs that have the similar S curvature, right? Sinkovich comes to mind, but there are many others. Cool looking knife though. I think this is the one that I was very interested in. What's the model? No, this is a different one maybe. I don't know. Medusa? The Maxace Medusa? Oh no, oh my god. No. Okay, hold on a second. This, oh crap. I realize I'm waiting on multiple Maxaces here. They must have sent these in 2 packages. This is the new Medusa OTF. Oh god. Yeah, that's, this is real nice, guys. Oh, that's real nice. That is just beautiful. Look at that. Do we have a perfect dagger right down the middle? Is it? Oh, that is so nice to see. Oh man. The Medusa is, this is crazy. This is absolutely insane. So I believe if it is like the first Medusa, people always ask, like, isn't there another company that makes it looks exactly the same? Right. So the way I understand it, and I don't know this because I've never been there, I've never been to the factory, I don't know all the different, they sell their designs periodically to other companies, and there was a situation where they had sold this design to a company that they then later turn around and bought or resorbed. I don't know. So you might see the Medusa out there floating around by a different name. And this has been, it's hard to say, is it a clone? Is it a copy, right? I believe Maxace also manufactured those, but they just have another company's name on them. I don't understand. That's the thing. There's just not enough information for me there. So I don't know any of that for a fact. That's what I heard. But this is the Maxace version of this, and this is I think this is the 2. What I assume is a DLC coating. Looks real nice. It's like a satin DLC. Let me see if I can wipe this off here so you guys can take a look at it. Yeah. Boy, it does look good. It's got some smudges on it. I couldn't get it completely cleaned off, but boy, that looks good. Really, really cool. The firing power on these is great. Very nice. Solidity on lockout. Oh my god, it's so minimal. Nothing. So this is the amount of play on this is about this. Here's my other. Get my most expensive Microtex out. This is a Signature Series Combat Troodon. This actually has less play. This is still minimal. It's got less play than the Combat Troodon. This is a Shadow Scarab. It is exactly the same as the Scarab in terms of play. So minimal. Next step up from these is the full custom Hawk Deadlock. The only OTF that I have ever handled that has absolutely zero blade play. No blade play. This is literally like just a microscopic step behind. It's so minimal. The other crazy thing about these is the price on them. I remember them being not bad. Now they're still expensive, and these are made in China. So it's one of those things where the precision manufacturing, like the level of precision manufacturing, is absolutely insane. If this exact same thing were manufactured in the United States, it would cost wildly more money, right? It's still high, but it's very impressive for what you're getting, even considering it is manufactured in China. I really wish it didn't have the big Maxace on here, and I don't mind the tag and the dragon, but I think maybe just the dragon logo would have looked better. I like this side the best. This is beautiful. Look at this, right? I believe that this is an aluminum frame with titanium inlays and a titanium clip. And then it's probably, you know, it's going to have a steel chassis, but this is real nice. Really, really nice. I can't say that I've ever handled an OTF that was not manufactured in the United States that really felt great. To this day, really the only other, you know, like people ask me about budget OTFs all the time, and I always say the Lightning is still the way to go because I just don't trust anything else. And then the USA has, in my opinion, led the, you know, OTF, the automatic OTF switchblade market in terms of like overall quality and reliability. The only thing that I have ever handled that has felt like it's truly contesting, and people, I know you guys want to tell me about Raven Crest and Cobra Tech, but please save it. I'm not interested in those for obvious reasons. I would suggest that you do as much research as possible, but thank you, no thank you. As far as true contenders, yeah, this is really up there. This is really, really cool. Happy to have these. Cannot wait to share additional thoughts. This is not a review. It's just an unboxing and first impressions. So you will get a comprehensive review based on extremely minimal testing. You guys know the drill. I don't take these things out and do extensive testing, right? I'm going to review the design and talk about, you know, materials and execution versus other knives that are similar for similar value, right? Compare and contrast. And we're going to talk about fit and finish, stuff like that. I'm going to talk about the overall design elements and whether or not I recommend it for the money. So, thanks again for watching. That's going to be pretty much it. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.